ladies, welcome back to another episode of Get Glassy with Chifo. So it's still a girl again, Blessing aka Chifo. Welcome back to this channel where we talk about everything that has to do with your skin wellness, your skin beauty, and for you to have a glassy look and a scintillating skin. So in this episode, guys, I'll be reviewing a product. This product is a treatment product. Yeah, this treatment product is for people who have skin issues. When I mean stubborn skin issue that you've tried so many products and maybe it has defied it and no result. This is a product that at least I have tried and I'm coming out here to give my own review. So please guys, this video is not an advert, it's not paid for. I don't have affiliation with the brand. I'm just here to give my honest feedback based on my usage, and also to tell my subscribers, because I have subscribers who are looking out for me to go and make research or maybe use a particular product and come to this channel to pass across my own experience, so that they can also use that as a yardstick to see if they will be using it. But let me put it out here, I'm not an esthetician. If you're suffering from very chronic, when I mean chronic hyperpigmentation, right? You have very stubborn, maybe melasma, or you have acne that is just breaking out anyhow and it's not going. You've tried and tried several products and it just seems as if you're just putting water inside a basket. Or you have this skin discoloration, right? When I mean chronic discoloration, whereby parts of your skin, maybe your face now, some parts are looking darker, another part is looking lighter. You just have this very uneven skin tone and you're looking to brighten up your skin. You're looking to make your skin glow and have a glassy look. Or you are somebody who maybe you have rosacea, right? And this kind of redness everywhere, your face is just turning red and you don't just know why it is so. So I'll be putting up pictures for you to see all the skin concerns I'm talking about, right? Or maybe you're somebody who have used some particular product and it has damaged your skin tissue, and as such your skin is just misbehaving. When I allow me to use the word misbehaving, because there is a level to which your skin barrier would have been compromised or weakened, that any product, even the mildest of product, can trigger very crazy reactions. So yes, that is because those skin barrier that help fight and put your skin together, your skin elasticity, your collagen and all that, all those things are gone, maybe because of different skin issues, right? Now those are the things I'll be addressing today. So if you fall in this category, please just stay tuned, because I was once in your shoe, not in all the scenarios I've painted, but in some. So, and I'm going to tell you how I was able to combat it. So which products am I talking about, guys? That product, guys, no other than this, the Paula's Choice 10% Azelaic Acid Booster. Yes, with licorice and salicylic acid. This is the 30 ml. Now it has the travel size, which is the 5 ml tube. Let me just bring it out so you can see it. So this is how it looks like. This is it. Let me bring it closer to the camera. Yeah, I guess you have seen that. So guys, this is how it looks like. The key ingredients in this Paula's Choice booster, right, is the azelaic acid, licorice and salicylic acid, and it claims that it is for all skin types. So this is the one I got before. It comes in the whole treatment, which I have with 2 in the 30 ml. This one is 3 in 1, but this is the 5 ml in it. So this is the booster. It's just very small, and this is the exfoliant, but I'll be talking about this in another video. But today I'm just talking about the booster. So yes, so let's see what this does, right? The manufacturer claims that this booster, this Paula's Choice booster, would fade post-acne marks. If you have stubborn post-acne marks, or you have skin redness or rosacea, or you have acne, right? Because the ingredient that was used to formulate this product can tackle all those things I have mentioned before. Now let me give you a story. I think I did a short about that. I'm going to put up a picture here when I was really breaking out. I was so dark, my skin was so uneven, And guys, I come here to do reviews. I also test it on my skin most times because I was going through those skin concerns at those times. So I was just doing this video so that I will be using it to talk about my experience and also measure progress level. So I got a friend to get me this product. It's very expensive, I must put it out here, compared to the ones I was buying before, because I had to get this one just to try, because I know that I have seen beautiful reviews, but the price, guys, is something else. So initially I got this complete set. This is the complete set, and I exhausted this pack. I think I've used 2 of this before I got this one. I still have the boosters for this. So this booster I've not used it at all. This is the booster from the old pack, right? Now this is the booster for this small travel size. Yeah, so but let me just talk about the booster, what it does. So it has azelaic acid. Azelaic acid is an exfoliant, guys, just like retinol, tretinoin. Those are vitamin A, and so many people cannot tolerate it. Me, for one, I tried retinoin, I tried retinol, but at that time, I think because my skin barrier was really compromised, like I was breaking out badly, and then I got retinoin trying to clear it, but it's as if I was putting salt into my injury, because my skin could not tolerate it, because I think at that point my skin barrier was so weak. So adding tretinoin that on its own is an irritant, because it can be so irritating, worsened my situation, guys. So I just had to stop. I still have my tretinoins in my wardrobe, but in my drawers, but I couldn't use it at that time. But I know if I should go back to tretinoin now, tretinoin will work on my skin, because I've been able to build my skin barrier to a point that I know that my skin is healthy. I can see my face is glowing. When I even see the texture of my skin, it's looking healthy. Most times I always tell people, when your skin is not healthy, even if you're very light, you're very white, it's obvious. Your skin will be so frail. There's a way it looks, guys, that you will know for a fact that your skin is not healthy. But when your skin is healthy, you see how the skin texture looks like. When you even see it from the outside, your skin is healthy. So you can be breaking out, but your skin can still be healthy. And then you can be breaking out and your skin is so weak, the barrier is so weak, the collagen is not being produced in that quantity that would help your skin elasticity and your skin barrier. So guys, enough of that. So because I was really breaking out, guys, I decided to go for this azelaic acid. So initially I started using the Ezanic acid. I'm going to leave a picture here. Yeah, so I got that one from Take4. I tried once, twice. It worked, guys, but it wasn't really working at the pace I wanted it to work, right? And at some point the price went up, and at some point I couldn't even find it. It was so scarce, and I was so angry because I don't like looking for a product and I won't see. So I couldn't get the Ezanic azelaic acid. I think that one is 20%. Yeah, I think 20%, and it's just a small 15 gram tube. So when I got this one, I started using, just like I said, the small travel size, and I could see results. Yeah, I started seeing that my face. So I was using the whole set. So I had the set consists of the cleanser, the booster, and then the exfoliant, which is the salicylic acid, mainly salicylic acid. So I was using it. I wasn't even using the booster then. I was just focusing on the cleanser and the salicylic acid, and I could see result, right? It was clearing my acne, my face was shining, and it was like I was seeing my face glow. So when I noticed that it was working, I now went for the bigger size, because I used that one to try, like a trial. And then, guys, this thing, right, took my face from this, as you can see on the screen. I was breaking out badly. Anything I put on my face was giving me back to sender, and I was so dark, because at some point I just had to leave my skin, let me just even heal my skin first, and I was so dark at that point. Everything was not working. So but when I started using this, guys, this product here, because it has salicylic acid, which is a good BHA, and it also has licorice, which is also a lightening agent. Licorice is a mild lightening agent, and then the azelaic acid, which is also a mild exfoliant, guys. This thing was working at a good pace. It's not irritating. It's so mild. It doesn't really irritate you like tretinoin. And my face, guys, the acne started healing my acne. Before I knew it, within a month, the acne, those big acne, they started disappearing. It was drying them out because of the salicylic acid. My face started becoming smoother. It was brighter, And I started noticing that I was getting a bit fairer, because I told you I had to stop everything just because I wanted my skin barrier to be restored. Like I said, whenever you notice that you're using a product and you're breaking out, just let your skin rest. So I started using this, and guys, within 3 months of usage, right, my face, those acne disappeared. The hyperpigmentation, because I was having acne, my hands were, there's no way you could see the hyperpigmentation in the picture I showed you, those big dark spots, because I was always breaking it. And when you have acne on your face, the temptation is always there to put your hands and pinch it out, or just crush it out. So all those things, guys, they went away, and I was so happy, because I have tried a lot of things. If I should come and tell you the things I've tried to clear my acne, you'll be shocked. But this thing here helps me. And the good thing is that it doesn't irritate, although it's expensive, like I said, but it absorbs very well, and you can use it both day and night. But I was using it only at night. Like I always say, exfoliants are things you should use at night, but I wasn't using it every day. I was using it like 3 times in a week, and only at night when I have my shower. So I use the cleanser to wash my face, and then I'll go in with this. Then I alternate the exfoliant. At some point I had to just leave the salicylic acid, that's the exfoliant. Okay, so let me just show you, because I have it here. So this is the complete set, right, for acne, for rosacea, for hyperpigmentation, for which other skin concern, melasma. Although mild melasma, this will not treat your melasma if it is chronic, but if it's just a mild melasma, it might help. So this is the complete set, guys. This is the 60 ml bottle. This is also the 60 ml, while this is a 30 ml. So this, guys, is the cleanser. I'm going to do a review on this in another video. While this is the BHA, that's 2% salicylic acid. This is an exfoliant, while this is the booster. This is like the cream. This is an exfoliant, and this is the cleanser. So I use the cleanser, I use this once a week, and then I use this 3 times in a week. At some point I had to stop using this, because I noticed that it was thinning on my skin, because too much acid. This thing is here already, and it's also here, so I felt too much acid on my face, so I had to just do away with this. And I've not even opened this at all for this particular, so you can see it's still sealed. I've not used this because I still have the small one there that I showed you initially. So there's salicylic acid here, there's salicylic acid here, there's salicylic acid here. So I just felt it's too much. Let me just use just this two. So let me put this aside. I'm going to do a video on this later. So guys, let me show you how this looks like. So this is it. I don't want to waste it. It's very expensive, very expensive. So this is it. It's in the form of a very lightweight, should I call this cream or gel? Maybe a cream. It's not really a gel, so it's like in a creamy form, but it's very lightweight and it absorbs very quickly. It's water based, it moisturizes very well. It doesn't sting your face when you use it at all. It's so soothing. So because of the ingredient, it has allantoin. It's just that right now these fonts are so small I can barely see them, but I'll try. So it has 10% azelaic acid, it has alka benzoate, it has triglyceride, which is like the moisturizer, that's the glycerin. Then let me see, it has the dimethicone, which is also good. It has salicylic acid. Then it has the liquorized roots, which is a whitening product. Then it has allantoin. Yeah, so this allantoin is a calming agent, right? So guys, this thing has beautiful ingredient, and I was really surprised the way it worked for me, and that's why I'm coming to share a review. Right now in Nigeria, if you convert the currency that I use in getting it in Nigeria, it's close to maybe 60 or 70 something thousand naira. Yeah, it's not cheap, it's very expensive. You can check it out on most vendors don't really have it. Those ones that have it is very expensive. The ones you might see is the exfoliant, the 2% salicylic acid. I think the last time I saw the 30 ml, not the 60 ml, 30 ml was going like 40 something thousand, just to tell you how expensive it is. But really guys, I must put it here that this thing works. It's just that it is quite expensive, but if you have the money to buy it, it will get the job done. It will not irritate your skin at all, and it will just give you these results over time, and your skin will be healthy. My joy is not just the fact that it cleared my hyperpigmentation, cleared my acne, brightened my skin, and it's just the way it it revived my skin barrier, right? Like when I feel my skin is so healthy, supple, and full of life. I don't know how to say, because I remember those days that when I look at my skin, it's so, in fact, then when I had terrible acne, if I touch my skin, like it hurts me. Sometimes my face would be like, it's all sore. Sometimes I will so itch, and then there will be plenty blood everywhere. So the fact that my face is so healthy now is something I'm happy about, even though the price I paid to get it like that, it didn't come cheap. Really, it didn't come cheap. This thing is expensive. So, but again, I just want to put it in case you're somebody who is also battling serious acne or rosacea or hyperpigmentation, that you have tried everything and it seems as if it's not working, and you just have the resources to buy it. You can order it, guys. It really works, and that's why I want to share. So guys, that's all I want to share in today's video. If you have used this product, just tell us, how did it work for you? I'm not going to be telling you, it's just basic. I've told you how to use it. Try not to put it when you're going into the sun. Wear your sunscreen, and don't use it every day, just maybe 2-3 times a week. And most times I top it up with my moisturizer, right? I put my Dove moisturizer on top when I layer this. So and then I have my normal moisturizer, which is Dove. So yeah, that's just all about it. That's the way I use it. So have you used it? Have you used this? How did it work for you? Drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know how it worked for you, and so that other people can also learn. So in my next video, guys, I'll be talking about the cleanser, and in another video I'll be talking about the exfoliant, that is the Salicylic Acid 2% PHA, how that one worked for me, and I'll be showing you how it looks like, the consistency and everything. So guys, if you have found this video helpful, please support this channel. You see, we're still growing. Click on the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, so that when next I upload video, you'll be the very first to be notified. So until I come your way next time, still your girl again, Chifu. Bye.